A beautiful good morning to my dear children. How are you all? Welcome back to Maths online class. Dear children, in the previous class we have completed chapter number 2, Extension of Numbers. Today we will start a new chapter, that is Addition and Subtraction. Unit 3, Addition and Subtraction. Dear children, what is the addition? What is the subtraction? What symbols used for addition and subtraction? I will explain. In the previous class you learnt additions, subtractions. Addition symbol is plus, subtraction symbol is minus. Addition called as plus, add, together, sum. These terms we are using when we are do addition. Okay, in subtraction time, minus. Subtraction means subtraction symbol is minus. Terms are subtract, take away, difference. These are terms we are using in subtraction. Look here children. Today we will start a new chapter, that is addition and subtraction. We know, we learnt in the previous classes first, second, third additions and subtraction. Once I will revise addition and subtraction. Look here children, here find the sum. Find the sum. Two numbers given. Now add it. Okay, add it. Here plus. Plus means addition. Plus means addition. Addition symbol is plus. Subtraction symbol is minus. Take away. Addition means total, sum. Subtraction means take away. This is the symbol of subtraction. This is the symbol of addition. Here, the numbers to be added are called addends. The number to be added are called addends. When we get answer now, that is sum, total. Okay, that is when we get a total, the total is called sum. Okay, now let's add these two numbers. Here, ones place onwards we have to add, Nana. You know already that ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Find the sum. Sum means total. Here we have plus symbol. So we have to add these two. Okay. First ones place onwards. We have to add right side. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Write here 1. Write down 0. Next 5 plus 4. 9. 9 plus 1. 10. So write here 1 and write down 0. Next 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. 0. No. 5. When we add any number by 0, we have to get same number. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 6 plus 0 equal to 6. Okay, 6. Next 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So 4553 plus 3047 equal to 7600. The sum is 7600. Second one. Here this is also 4-digit numbers. These two also 4-digit number. So here also addition is there. So what we do here? Here doing addition. Okay, addition. Now ones place onwards we have to add ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, ones place onwards we have to do addition. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So, total, the sum is 8594. The sum is 8594. This like third one, fourth one is homework. Third one, fourth one is homework. Next, second Roman, add mentally. Add mentally. Here, what is this addition? Here, given that 24 plus 32 is equal to 56, find 240 plus 320. So, when we add 24 plus 32, we have to get 56. 24 plus 32, the total is 56. Find 240 plus 320. Do you observe anything here? 240, 24, 240, 32, 320. Okay? 24, 240, 32, 320. This is the 2-digit number. This is also 2-digit number. Here 24 become 3-digit number. So one more 0 only exists, no? So 240 plus 320 is equal to 560. Okay, 56 same as it is. 1 0 only exists, we have to add. Is it clear? Now, if you have any doubt, now check it, dears. 240 plus 320. 0, 6, 5. Total is 560 now. This is mental ability test. So, let's observe clearly. Then you have to find out total. Okay, without adding, because 24, 32 is equal to 56. Each number having one more 0 exists. That's why we have to add one more 0 in the total also. Okay, this is mental test, Nana. In computer purpose also this like problems will come. Okay, next, first you have to observe clearly. After that you have to do it. Second one, given that 43 plus 54 equal to 97. Find 430 plus 540. Here also 43, 54 is 2-digit numbers. Here 43 become 430. Then 54 become 540. So what will come? Think mentally. So answer is 90. 97, one more 0 excess. 430 plus 540 equal to 970. Is it clear? 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 5, 9. Okay? 43 plus 54 equal to 97. Then find 430 plus 540 equal to 970. Okay, third one. Given that 21 plus 37 plus 28 is equal to 86. Find 21 plus 28 plus 37. This is 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 numbers. So, first observe clearly. Observe clearly. 21 is there and this side also 21 is there. 28 is there. Here also 28 is there. And one more number 37 also there. 37 also there. Only places only changed. Okay, here and there. 21, 21, 28, 28, 37, 37. Plus 3 numbers are same but places only changed. So what total here we have to get? Here also that total only we have to get. Okay, given that 21 plus 37 plus 28 equal to 86. Find 21 plus 28 plus 37 equal to 86. Okay. Next, fourth one. Next, third one. Given that 95 plus 85 is equal to 180. Find 85 plus 95. Find 85 plus 95. 95, 95. 85, 85. Numbers are same but places only changed. Okay. So here what we get total 180. Here also we have to get 180 because here 95 is there. In this side 95 is there. Here 85 is there. Here also 85 is there. But place is only changed. That's why we have to get same answer. Is it clear? Next, given that 70 plus 79 plus 89 is equal to 238, find 700 plus 790 plus 890. Here 70, one more 0 excess is there. 79, one more 0 excess is there. Plus 89. Here one more 0 excess is that 890. So here we have to get total is 238. So think mentally what answer we have to get here. 2380. Answer is 2380 because these all numbers add one more 0. So we have to write here one more 0 in the total also. Okay. Answer is 2380. Next, Roman number 3. Find the result. These two numbers in one bracket. One more number is outside of the bracket. Look here. 2307 plus 4015. In one bracket these two numbers plus 1625 is equal to means both sides are same numbers. Is equal to means equal to means this side and this sides are both numbers. So 1625 here there and here also there. 2307 4050 is there. Here 6320. In these two numbers one bracket, no. Now add we have to get 6322. Now check it once. 2307 4015. So answer is 12 2 3 6. Is it clear? 6300. When we add 2307 plus 4015, when we add these two numbers we have to get this total, that is 6322. Now here also plus is there, no? So we have to add 1625. Okay. 6322 1625. See 2 plus 5 7, 2 plus 2 4, 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 1 7. So the total is 7947. 7947. Okay, this next. Here second one 2307 1625. These two in one bracket. Next 4015. This is the another number. So here look here 4015 is there. When we add these two numbers, what total we have to get right here in this blank. So 2307 1625. 7 plus 5 12, 3 9 3. So what we get? 3932. 3932. In this 2 also is there plus, no? So we have to add 3932 plus 4015. 5 plus 2 7, 4 9 7. What total we have to get here? 7947. So we write here 7947. Is it clear? Next, third one. 2307 plus 1565 is there one bracket, and plus 1323. Both sides are, if is equal to is means both sides are equal. 1323 both sides is there, and 2307 is there. Which is the remaining number? Remaining number is 1565. So write here 1565. Is it clear, everybody? Look here, 2307 is there, and this side also there. In between is equal to is there, no? Okay. Next, 1323 is there. Here also 1323 is there. Next, 1565 remaining number also is there. So both sides are equal. So now add all these. 1323, 2307. All these number having 4 digits. Right? All these number having 4 digits. Now add this. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So what total we have to get here? 5195. Right here in this blank 5195. Right? Next, fill in the blanks in each of the following. Next Roman is fill in the blanks in each of the following. In the blanks. First one, 5672 plus 0. 5672 plus 0. When we add any number, we have to get same number. When we add any number by 0, we have to get same number. So, 5672 plus 0 is equal to 5672 only. 5672. Next, 3462 plus 384 equal to 384 plus in between these two numbers is equal to is there, no? That means both sides are same. 384 is the remaining number, what is not there? So 3462 not there, no? So we have to write that number 3462. Okay, right? Next, both sides are same. Okay, third one, dash plus 0. When we add any number by 0, we have to get same number, that we know that. So here which number is there? Think mentally. 89,256. When we add 0, that number only we have to get, no? So 89,256. Here 89,256. Fourth one, 385 plus blank 1100 equal to 1100, 385, 6701. Think mentally what will come here given blank. In this three numbers between is equal to there. Here 1100 same. Here 385 same. So what number is not there in this blank? When we write 6701, both sides are equal, no? So now both sides are same three numbers. 385, 385. 6701, 6701, 1100. Okay, right? This like you have to fill up your textbook. Okay? So everyone write your textbook these all answers. At the same time, given homework everyone do regularly. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Send your homeworks regularly without